So today's tutorial is with Fee, and Fee is a very amazing, talented singer, and we're doing this for her social media. So I'm just going to start doing her makeup, obviously starting with cleansing. I'm just putting some moisturiser on just to obviously hydrate the skin, ready for the foundation. I'm using a really nice light foundation. So this is MAC Face and Body Foundation. It's in C1, which is a very light colour because Fee has she's got quite pale skin. I'm using a bit of the Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage on the eye. And I'm just going to go in with the taupe, just on the socket line. Next I'm going to go in with the eyeliner, and I'm using a Dolce & Gabbana black eyeliner today. It's a good eyeliner because it's quite creamy and it sinks into the skin, into the lash line quite well. I'm just using a brush to blend that into the lash line and using a little bit underneath. Obviously, because Fee is doing a gig, it's good to have dramatic makeup, so that's what I'll be doing. More of a dramatic eye. As you can see, all the foil backdrop for the stage. So I'm going in the waterline with the eye pencil, and then I'm going back along the top, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go and do the waterline upstairs, as I call it. So basically you're going to go do the waterline along the bottom lash line and above. And then I'm using a Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow, and it's got such great pigment in it. It goes between a green and a gold, and it's an amazing pigment. So I'm just going over the eyeliner on the upper lashes with a gel liner, which is from Inglot, and just really reinforcing the shape and connecting both the upper and the lower. I'm taking it right from the inner eye and bringing it along from the outer eye to connect underneath, making it a really strong, defined shape. So I'm just patting on a bit more pigment on the lid and just blending in the gel to the kohl liner underneath. So obviously a quick curl of the lash and then in with the mascara. This is a fibre mascara, which actually you put on before. It's like a primer to lengthen the lashes. And then adding a mascara. This is a Pat McGrath Labs mascara. It's quite intense. And just really going for it with the lashes, like making it quite heavy. We want her makeup to stand out on stage, so we're doing it quite intense. I'm just putting on some quarter lashes right at the end, just to lift Fee's eyes at the end. So just finishing off the lashes, and then I'm going to use mascara and blend in the fake lash to her natural lashes. I'm just putting a couple of individual, just so that there's no stop-start. It all kind of finely blends together from the fake lash to the natural lash. And there you can see, really nice lashes. Just going over the skin, making sure it's all lovely and flawless. Adding any concealer where I need to. And I've decided that the socket line isn't defined enough, so I'm just going to put a little bit more taupe into the socket line, just to give it a bit more definition, and highlighter. Now Fee likes her eyebrows very pencil thin, but she also likes them bleached, so we're just leaving her eyebrows as they are. So Fee wants a red lip, so I've chosen a more orange red toned lipstick than the blue red tones. Red lipsticks, there's a whole different dimension of various shades, obviously, but one particular one that I've always liked is the Lady Danger from MAC, and I call it like a vintage red, and it's a reddy orange, and I think it's very modern. Even though it's a vintage kind of colour and I'd use it for that kind of look, it's a very modern colour for today. Just carving out a really nice shape. Tidying up any skin little imperfections. And that's your finished look. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and comment. New videos are going to be uploaded onto my channel every Saturday, so please subscribe.